Welcome back to this session, children. In this video, in the second video, unit 3 video, we are going to learn stanza by stanza, children. In the last video, I have taught you what all objects you have to be careful with, and I have taught you the meanings and new words which come across the lesson. In this video, I am going to teach you stanza by stanza, children. Rajat is a pilot. He wears a smart uniform. He flies an aeroplane. He travels to many countries. He is very careful. He sees that his plane has fuel. He makes sure that everything works properly. Lots of passengers sit in his plane. He makes sure they have a comfortable, safe flight. The passengers enjoy the flight. So this was the first stanza. I'll go line by line so that you will understand it very clearly, children. Rajat is a pilot. As I told you, Rajat is a pilot. He is a pilot. Pilot is one who takes off the plane up and who gets the plane down. He wears a smart uniform, children. We all, sometimes when you get up late, you look very shabby. But when you get up early, when you brush your hair, when you comb your hair properly, when you put ironed clothes on you, you look very smart. So every time when you are coming to school, make sure that your clothes in the night are pressed, and make sure your socks, boot is all polished and kept in before in hand, so that you look very smart. So Rajat is a pilot. He wears a smart uniform. He flies an aeroplane. Obviously, the pilot will fly a aeroplane. He travels to many countries. As we know, aeroplane go from one place to another, one country to another. So he goes to many countries, children, from from India to US, US to Asia, Asia to Africa. So many countries he roam around. He is very careful. Now I told you about the careful word, children. You have to be very careful, not troubling you, neither others. So careful is nothing but he sees to it that the engine works properly, the fuel is there in the aeroplane, whether the passengers are comfortable, whether they are all okay with oxygen, all the oxygen masks are there or no. So everything he has to be very careful. He sees that his plane has fuel. Now I told you, he has to see before taking off, he has to see whether the aeroplane is having fuel or no. If at all the fuel is empty, he has to fill it before going. When you go up, there is no fuel. What are you going to do? You cannot come down. So you need you need fuel for your aeroplane. So what Rajat does? Rajat does it before in hand, so that it should not be a problem for others. He makes sure that everything is properly maintained. So he makes sure that everything works properly. He sees whether the front wheel, back wheel, the wind bows and the windpipes, everything in the aeroplane is working properly. Before taking the passenger in, he checks everything by his own, so that there should be no problem for the passengers. Lots of passengers sit in his plane. So many passengers sit in his plane. When we see from down, children, the aeroplane looks very small. But it's not small, children. When it goes up, we feel that it is very small. When things go far, they seem to be very small. But they are very big, children. Whenever you are free, you ask your parents to take you to aeroplane, Kalburgi aeroplane, this thing. So you can see there, Kalburgi airport, you can see many aeroplanes are standing nowadays. So you can see what size the aeroplane is. Okay. He makes sure that they all have a comfortable and safe flight. What is flight, children? Journey, going from one place to another. So he sees to it that all are comfortable, all are sitting comfortable or no, whether anybody is fighting there, whether anybody has got 2 tickets. There is no chance in that case, children, because in KSRTC bus and train there would be some problems. But here in aeroplane, he sees to it that they all are comfortable. The passenger enjoy the flight. So the passengers will enjoy the journey, flight or journey. So they enjoy it very nicely. Now coming to the second stanza, it is about the bus driver. I have drawn my bus driver, children. Can you see here? Yes. He is Rahman. He is Rahman. Rahman is a bus driver, children. Rahman is a bus driver. He drives school bus. He fills fuel in the bus. He keeps the bus clean. He picks children up from their home. He takes them to school. After school, he takes them home. He drives slowly and carefully. He waits till the children have got on or off the bus before he moves on. So this was the second paragraph. I will go line by line how I went with the first stanza, children. The first one, Rahman is a bus driver. Very clear, children. Rahman is a bus driver, school bus driver. He drives a school bus. There are many bus drivers who run private buses, private vehicles. But here they are specifically telling us that Rahman is a driver who drives school bus. Who is a driver of school bus. Rahman is a bus driver who drives the school bus. He fills fuel in the bus. As pilot sees whether the aeroplane is having fuel or no, same with Rahman. Rahman also see that whether the bus is having petrol or diesel or no. Before starting the bus or before going to some extent, they have to check whether the petrol is there in the bus or no. Now, he fills the fuel in the bus. He keeps the bus clean, children. He always sees to it that the seats are clean, the bottom floor is clean of the bus, the upper part where you keep all your luggage should be clean. Everything should be clean. So, he sees to it that everything is clean in the bus. Do we like to go in the dirty bus, children, where it is smelling bad? No, we always want the bus to be clean when we are going to one place to another, because we want to be healthy. We want to be, fit. So nowadays in coronavirus, you can see everybody is sanitizing everything, children. Even the bus they are sanitizing, as it has become a very compulsory thing for the drivers to do. They have to sanitize the bus every night. He picks children up from their home. So coming back to the lesson, what does Rahman do? He checks the fuel. Now he is checking whether the bus is clean. Now what does he do? He go to every stop and take the children from there and come and drop in the school. He picks the children up from their home. He takes them to school. What he does? He goes to all the stops. All the parents will be standing with the children. They take all the children in all the stops and come and leave them in the school. After school, he takes them back. Now, coming and leaving is only his work? No, children. He has to take them back again, leave to their own houses or stops. He drives slowly and carefully, children. You all know, you are all small children. You cannot drive. So the driver will be, he doesn't want you to get hurt. So he'll be driving it very slowly and carefully, seeing that the traffic line, the traffic rules, he has to follow all the traffic rules. He has to follow everything whichever is given, whichever the driver should follow. He follows everything and drives very slowly and carefully, so that it should not be any problem. He drives slowly and carefully. He waits till the children have got down. He doesn't hurry children. When he stops in near your house or a stop, he waits for the child to get down. He cannot run, children. He cannot have stop came, okay, run, no. He has to stop, see to it that the child is getting down. He has completely get down, then he can move. Or he is coming up, wait for some time till the child comes up with the help of cleaner and then move the bus. So he always sees to it that he see the child is coming on inside or going off completely and then start the bus. He is very careful, children. So he says, I have to be very careful. He is very careful while getting up and going down of the children. After that only he moves the bus. So this was about Rahman. Thank you, children. This was the second part. Let us go with the third part next time. Thank you.